Ultimaker is a leader in the 3D printing desktop professional market. We're a global company, and we've been around for 10 years already. I think the ecosystem for us as Ultimaker is really important because it kind of represents our ability to offer applications. Customers are looking for solutions and not just a simple technology or product. So from that perspective, we need an ecosystem to help us develop those specific customized solutions for our customers. The ecosystem for us is an integral part of our strategy. It's actually one of the key building blocks of how we want to go to market in the future. It's combining the strength of not just one company, but many companies out there to kind of offer that solution and creates a competitive advantage for us, but also for our partners in the ecosystem. The ecosystem is for us, has been blossoming over the last years already. In an informal way, what we're now doing as Ultimaker is actually investing into the ecosystem and actually formalizing the relationships to create a win-win for all the parties involved. I think the end user really is looking for that solution. And to have a solution, you need multiple pieces of that puzzle to be put together. And that's what our ecosystem partners can do, whether it's the materials or it's the software, the hardware side. All those things have to play together to give that customer the optimal solution to their specific requirements. And that's what the ecosystem can bring together for the customer.